UMLA ka Congress na Maulai constituency uba PT Sawkmie uloong bakapor kan Batai ka Iaineh ka jong bat ka seng Congress habakran sekilat pathai khubor uba Sawkmie uloong ba umla aban kran nagabanta ki wei pat ki MLA ka seng Hynrei halade shimet hi Iaineh be baka seng Congress hadu ka bakut balada jia kumnu ru sale e ka bhatam e nagabanta ka constituency habakli shapang ka jingne ka jong ha ka seng Congress uloong wat unong yelam barang ba kum Dr. Mukul Sangma udang I kumta ngimla aban kran shapang ka bansawan.
See, when talking about the five Muskas days, we're talking about the five, very difficult. Many people I'm talking about when I'm talking about others, very difficult. But as of today, I'm still in Congress. Let I complete the term. Then when the time has come in, then we'll decide what is the best. The best for my constituency, even for the state also. So I only told you that as of now I'm still in Congress, will remain in Congress. Then when the time comes, then we will see. So when you're talking about the future, who will thought that Dr. Mukul Sangma will leave the party? Nobody thought now. When talking about the future, that's why now I cannot see an exact reply. If I give exact reply, difficult. No, but again, you remind me that on 12 we have meeting in your chamber. On this set, this is that. Then, but now again you have changed. So for now, I'll remain in Congress. Then the time will come. The time will speak. What is the best way to take a decision?